Hey young guys, Dave from AllBrand Caravan Services. Today behind me I've got Mark and Josh, our newbies here at AllBrand Caravan Services. Now Mark is now our apprentice, so he's learning the ropes on how to repair caravans, as you can see. And Josh has just come to us from Caboolture Caravan Repairs, just moving on, stepping up in the workplace. We're concentrating Josh on the repairs at the moment because it's something that he's really good at. He's been doing it for many years, teaching Mark along as he goes. So guys, you will see a lot more videos with Josh coming up. He's delighted to do some videos, and same with Mark. Just keep an eye out for him and have a great day. Thanks guys.